So hello guys, so today I'm actually unboxing a case that I bought from Shopee. So it's an invasion case. I'm sure it's in the video title. I'm recording this to show the just unboxing video, I guess. It's really nothing much. I'm gonna try to cut down the video because this was supposed to be the video to use for proof, as you can see on the sticker before. Right now you can't see anything now. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. This is the unboxing. So from here you should be able to see that it actually costs about 169 ringgit, which is actually quite cheap considering it comes with 6 ARGB fans, but it's like bad type of ARGB, so yeah, putting that aside, I guess. Also sorry for the bad video quality because this was prop up on a cup. If you notice it on the right side, there's something propping it up. Because I didn't use a tripod, so yeah, sorry about that. And also because it is using an ultra wide angle lens on the smartphone, so the low light and the back quality image will show. You can see the video is actually quite grainy. So with this, we get our first look on the side panel. As you can see, the fans aren't pre-installed, at least from this seller. They're just floating around in there. It's a bit dent here, but it's fine. As I mentioned, there's very little dents here and there. It's minor, but it's not nice, right? But that's up to the shipping courier, so you have to find one that's the fan should have 6 fans. This one only came with 3. I ordered the 6 fan version. Why is only 3? So at this point in time, I was actually not aware of the other 3 fans inside the PSU. So I'm just confused, as you can see. I'm checking the case and then holding the fans, bewildered. Why are there only 3 fans? I will order 6, right? And then yeah, I'll proceed to find another 3 hiding inside the PSU. Those are much more secured, right? Because the other ones, the one I just took out, as you can see, isn't actually properly secured, so it's just jumping around in the case. So this is the RGB hub or the fan hub for all the fans, and I'm holding in my hands for basically all 6 of the fan that's coming pre-included with this case. Actually no, you have to buy it, but yeah, it's an add-on of 70 ringgit. So if you want an actual good looking smooth transitioning ARGB fan, don't buy this, just buy with those better ones. We got the screws, zip tie for tying up your cables, build it, and the rest of the fans are in here. Everything is alright, looks like. I was kind of shocked when I was carrying the boxes because it was all the screws. Because it was making sounds, right? So I was kind of concerned, why is it making sounds? Yeah. All the pins are stuck in the bay area. Thumbs up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be 6, as I have 6 fans. Okay, the rest fell to the ground. Yeah, 6. Realistically, I'll probably use about 3 packs of it. This 2 screw is good enough for most of the fan, because it's not gonna bounce around moving. But yeah, I mean, this is it basically. There's still some scratches here and there. Here's the bottom case. Yeah, that's really about it. On the I/O is here. So that's just 3.0 USB, 2.0, 2 USB. This is for microphone, speaker, and then the LED to control, I guess. There's no reset. I think yeah, they turned the reset button into the LED. Because case usually have a reset button. And the magnetic tray is really cheap. I can tell, but this one is
Yeah, this is about front mesh looks like this. Copied Corsair design, but you know, it's like Corsair costs like too expensive. Yeah, it's all good. All good. Also deep tie. Oh no, I just did a tie. I thought they deep tie this. So we got the motherboard screw, my motherboard screw and the power supply screw. This is the screw for this case to screw your components into this case, and then some cable ties to tidy up your cable. So yeah, that's ready. So and we got that. That's all. Right then, see you later. Got a PC here, just sitting outside.
Well, it would be wrong to not show you the final result, so I'll put a picture on the screen right now. As you can see, this is my current PC. I have a cooler coming in, it's also ARGB, but this time it's actually good ARGB, unlike this like stuttery ARGB. You can't really change it. You can change mode, but it's just still all stuttery, there's no smooth transitioning. So yeah,